Yeah. She like it, she love it. She kiss it, she suck it. She want me to want it. She want to climb up on it. Smile. 50 Cent.
Look, mommy, we can creep through the ghetto with your feet in stilettos at the club and party as long as you sneak in the metal. Or we can head to the house, from the house is the floor, from the floor to the couch, from the couch to the door. Then it's out to the store for out for the more, watching out for the law, cause of this pouch full of raw. I don't care how much you love her, don't vouch for the whore, cause the first chance you get, I'm in the mouth on the tour. I'm loving the ladies with no husbands or babies. Since little I've been active, lost dozens of babies. Nigga, you coming stunting in your cousin Mercedes, or roll up on you dumping, point guns at your ABs. You the man on the block, I'm the talk of the town. That's probably why they wanna see me and chalk in the ground. Where you can find me on the corner with a pack of marijuana, middle finger to haters, nigga, you fucking with the greatest.
I wanna go to a motel just for 4 hours on the show stage. We don't have to go far, far away to have some fun. Try things my way. Bitch, grab your bag, get in the Escalade, put the seat back, we on our way. There's no games to play, nothing else to say. Listen to your man, go try
maybe you
my
wanna
way.
rest in the tower, make a mess in the flowers. How about sex in the shower or neck for an hour? You got a ring on your finger, even one in your nose, squeezing some on your toes, one in your tongue that glows. Oh, remember spin the bottle.